you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I have yet another thrift, flip, and style. This is the second episode of this series. I had so much positive feedback from my first video of this series that I was like way too excited to not do another one. So I am doing another thrift, flip, and style. So I have 3 items here which I have thrifted from the thrift store, and I'm going to flip them into some really cute new reworked pieces that I can incorporate into my wardrobe. So some of the things that I find at the thrift store I really love, but it either doesn't fit me properly or the style of it is just not very in style right now, but I love the fabric or the print of it, or I have some other ideas in store. So that is what this series is all about. If you're new here, make sure to also subscribe down below to my channel before you leave, and follow me on all my social medias. I'll pop them up right on the screen right here. So my Instagram, I actually have 2 Instagrams. My personal one is at ThreadsObsessed, and then I also have a Shop Threads Vintage where I sell a lot of these clothing. And to actually purchase some of the pieces, you can also purchase them on the Instagram if you DM me, but you can also follow me on my Depop because I post a ton of really cute things, and then also my Twitter and my Snapchat. You can also follow me on there. But without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so I have 3 super fun looking fabrics. Well, actually this is not fun, these are just jeans. But we're gonna start with the jeans because I feel like that is going to take me the longest amount of time to create. So the first creation that we're gonna do, I have a basic pair of white high-waisted vintage Santana, actually they're really nice jeans, from the thrift store. I thrifted these. They're nice and stretchy. They fit me really nicely as well, and we will be creating some cow printed jeans. I've been seeing these everywhere and they're sold out everywhere, or the ones that are online. I don't like them as much. I've been on the hunt for some vintage ones, but I just cannot find the perfect pair that fits me or anything like that. So we will be trying my best to recreate these cow jeans. Obviously they won't be exactly like that, but this is gonna take quite some time. So all you're gonna need is some black fabric paint, also a little pencil to like draw out like the pattern, and then some paint brushes. So I bought like a huge pack of paint brushes. So the first thing that we gotta do for these jeans is draw out the pattern onto the pants. This is probably going to take the longest time of this whole project, or even out of the 3 flips. This is gonna be the meat of the video probably. So I have to draw out all of these. Don't mind my thumb also, I like bruised it with a weight and it's really gross. As I was saying, I have to draw out all of these little cow printed marks. I'm not going to copy it exactly because I feel like that would be kind of impossible, but I'm just using this as a reference. So let's go. Alright, so the back portion is done, and same with the front portion of the pants. If you can see my my little cow printed design. It definitely got easier like drawing them as I went on, but yeah, like kidney shapes are like the best, I feel like, and just like random, not too much like sharp edges or anything. So yeah, now we just paint. Alright, so now this is probably going to take the longest time, is painting these. Obviously I'll have to do the front, and then later, once it dries, I will have to also do the back. So let's get painting. Low-key looking at Mel from the future right now. So these pants I just finished They are so incredible. Look at these babies. I'm so excited to go try these on for you guys. They just finished drying. I had them outside for quite some time, so they're pretty hot actually, but they came out perfectly. I'm not gonna lie to you when I say that these literally took me 9 hours to complete. It did take a heck of a long time to do, but they look so bomb, and I'm so excited about these. These are probably one of my favorite flips of all time, so let's go style them. I have 2 words for this. Heck yes. Oh my gosh. Look at these. These literally look like they would be expensive. I'm sorry, these look like they would be expensive. They look like they are store-bought, but they're not. They were fully created, hand-painted, 10 freaking hours of my life, but so worth it. I think that these are so amazing, especially with this lime green Harley Davidson top. You know, you got a little bit of Western, but you got to grunge it up a little bit. That's totally what I'm about. Sunnies are from Pretty Little Thing, as per always. This is thrifted, by the way. Thrifted, and then my thrifted Harley Davidson boots, well, from vintage, the 80s. Oh, yes. This is everything. Okay, moving on to the second thrift flip in style piece. So this one is actually really fun, and I'm so excited about this as well. Like, this one is one I'm really looking forward to. So for this one, you're going to need like this fluff. It's craft boa is what it's called. So I have 3 colors. I think I'm gonna use the red because I feel like the red will look the best. Actually, maybe the green. Oh yeah, let's do the green. The green's gonna look so bomb with this. You're gonna need some scissors and a sewing machine, obviously. So what I'm going to do is, I think I wanna crop it to begin with. So let's do that first. I chopped it off. I did not even film that part of me chopping it off, but I literally just chopped it off a little bit. Now I'm going to flip it inside out and pin it so we can have a nice finished edge. And now we sew. Make sure you cut off any of the loose strings because they are literally the most annoying part of sewing is the loose strings. Like, I literally hate loose strings. So make sure you cut all of those off so you don't have any stragglers happening. And yeah, so now we have a nice, clean, finished edge, and I'm just gonna trim this part off right here just so it's not super like long, if you know what I mean. Just be careful when you're cutting though, because you can always like cut the fabric accidentally that you are like, that's part of your shirt, so just be really careful with that. Also go and iron the fabric, which is also a really good idea. I know that last time I got like comments about not ironing it, but I'm just not gonna run upstairs right now. I will do it later when I am finished. That way you have it like laid nice and flat. Now for the fun part. So I have 3 colors, and I think the green is gonna look the best with this top right now. I'm gonna save the red for another shirt that's similar that I'm making another one out of. So what we're gonna do is we are going to wrap this fabric around the wrists. How this is going to go down is I'm going to pin this. I think I wanna double wrap it though. So I'm going to double wrap it and pin it. So we're gonna grab our pins and we are going to do that. Okay, so once you are pinned, I ended up wrapping it around twice so it's like more full, which I really like. We're gonna try to sew this. I don't really know how this is going to go. I'm gonna try my best to figure it out. I didn't really research how to do this or anything. voila, you have a super cute sleeve. I'm just going to chop off all of these loose strings. So I ended up stitching like little bits. I think there's about 5 or 6. Instead of going all the way around, I just stitched in little parts of the sleeve, just enough to hold it in place and be firm so it's not just gonna like pull out. But I thought it was better than like kind of taking away from the whole entire fluff. So that was my little tidbit trick, and it just looks so freaking cute. And now you just gotta repeat and do it on the other side, and I will show you guys when I'm finished. We are done. It looks so good and so freaking cute. I am so excited to go style this for you guys. Got a lot of animal print going on here right now, so let's go style this and see what it looks like. Okay, but why is this like the cutest top that I've ever owned in my whole entire life? Oh my gosh, this is so freaking adorable. Look at it. So this is how I would style it, just with some like leather or pleather pants on bottom. I love the flare of these. You could put like vinyl pants or even like leather shorts for the summertime. I feel like this is just such a freaking cute look. Look at my top. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then I have like a pink scrunchie, so I was like, you know what, I'll just put a cute little pink bag to match the whole pink scrunchie look. This is very early 2000s vibes. And then the sunnies are from Pretty Little Thing. And then I just wanted to pair like some plain white sneakers, so these are just my Adidas. This is such a cute look. Oh my gosh. The last flip that we will be doing today is I have this amazing cherry shirt. Love, love, love the print of it. Not too fond of like the whole, I don't know, I feel like these are pregnancy tops. Is that, I know that's not the name, but that's what I think about when I see these tops, because they're like looser at the bottom. I want to turn this into like a bandeau with a possible skirt. I'm not sure how short this will be once we take it all apart, so I'm gonna have to check on that. If not, I just want this to be a bandeau top. So let's go. I'm just going to take my handy dandy seam ripper and I'm going to take out the bottom seam right here. So there's an elastic right here and I want to keep the elastic in there. Oh my gosh, so I just thought of the cutest thing ever. I didn't think about this until I like saw it, and I was like, so I ended up cutting off it like this and it would be perfectly fine. But how cute would this look if it was just on the bottom of it, if it was just wrapped around the bottom of it? I'm definitely doing that, so I'm gonna do that. And then I also think this might be long enough, so we're gonna try to turn this into a little skirt with an elastic. I have some elastic here, so let's try to put this on. I switched my thread to the red thread, and yeah, let's do this. Okay, moving on to this. So we have the little cherry piece of fabric. So what we're going to do is we're going to pin this over to have enough room so the elastic can go through it, and then we will have a cute little mini skirt. So let's try it out. Alright, we are all pinned up and now we sew. So when we do sew though, we want to make sure that we aren't like too close. We need this elastic to fit through. So if you are doing something similar, make sure you leave enough room and then do not go all the way around. I always mess up and I always have to like seam rip out a little bit. Make sure you leave a hole to be able to put the elastic in afterwards. now we have the skirt semi-sewed up, so it's all hemmed and stuff. I just have to put the elastic in, so that's what we're going to do right now. The skirt is finished, the elastic is in, I cut off all of the loose ends or the loose strings, threads, and now I'm just going to cut off the excess fabric, I'm gonna go iron it, and then I'm gonna try it on for you guys. I'm super excited about this. I'm so excited to see how it turns out. Oh, I think it's gonna be really, really cute, so let's go check it out. So unfortunately, the skirt is like way too short with this top. Like the top is very cropped and the skirt is like, it's not short, but like wearing them together is just too revealing for me personally. So I honestly just paired it with these incredible jeans. I feel like this is such a cute little like festival look almost. Like I think it's really cute with my checkerboard backpack, mixing some prints. I love this top so much. Like it's so freaking cute. I'm so excited to wear it this summer, and with the red belt and then the red Converse, it just is such a look. These jeans are super cute. I actually got them at like some super random boutique when I was on vacation, and they're so freaking cute, and they're nice and breezy and light for the summertime, so they are perfect. I love this look so much, and then just some Ray-Bans with it. I think this is so cute, and I'm so happy with the way that the top turned out. Okay, so this is actually the skirt, and I'm wearing it as a top, like a tube top tucked in with these lime green shorts, and I love it so much. So instead of getting like a set, I got two tops, which I'm not mad at. This is like super cute and more casual than the other one, so I can definitely wear this like on an everyday basis. And then I also have my Zara Sunnies. That's what I paired it with. What I paired it with was my Zara Sunnies, this Guess like heart bag, these lime green vintage shorts that I got at a thrift store, and then my grommet belt, and then just the same Adidas sneakers. I think this look is so cute. Alright guys, that sums up this thrift flip and style video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a big ol' thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Follow me on all my social medias, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan.